Very warm wishes of the day, my dear lovely students. So I am back with my another video covering all the important chapters and with the related information. So let's start our class without any further delay. But before I actually start my class, let's start the day with a beautiful message which says the procedure towards the success. Whenever you think, you get an idea, and whenever you got the idea, you start trying this. And when you start trying this, you are basically doing this again and again if you are not getting the success. But finally, after doing it for a longer time, you got the success. So, hello everyone, this is Gunjan and I welcome you all to my GK classes. Today we are going to discuss another important chapters and boost our knowledge. The chapters are India's superlative, hockey, the most and the least in India, and the popular names. So let's start. Are you ready? Let's start our class then. First is India's superlative. India is known for its geographical diversities, so we will be studying about the India superlative. The first is the highest mountain, which is the highest mountain in India. You know, the range of this mountain is 8,611 meters. So, the mountain, can you guess the name of the mountain? Okay then, let me tell you. The name of the mountain is K2 mountain. In the line, we have the biggest desert. You know, it is 2,59,000 square kilometer in India. The area of this desert is 2,59,000 square kilometer in India. Can you guess the desert? It is Thar Desert. Can you tell me the place where is Thar Desert located in India? If yes, please write the answers to me in the comment section. Next in the line, we have the longest river. Can you guess the name of the river? The longest river in India is Ganga River. Ganga River is by area 2,510 km. Next we have the largest ocean island. The area of the largest ocean island is 1,536 square kilometer area. Can you guess the name of the largest ocean island? Okay. The name of the largest ocean island in India is Middle Andaman. Moving ahead, we have the wettest place. The wettest place means where in India is the maximum rainfall received. The place is Mawsynram Falls. Can you tell me where are these falls? If yes, please write the answers to me in the comment section. Next we have the freshwater lake, which is 900 square kilometer by area. So the freshwater lake in India is Kollaru Lake. This is the picture of the Kollaru Lake, and the name of the freshwater lake is, which is the largest in terms of area, is Kollaru Lake. Next we have the largest active volcano in India. So the largest active volcano in India is the Barren Island. Now students, here the S is silent, so we always pronounce it as island, not island or by any other name. This is pronounced as island. Next we have is the highest waterfall in India. The height of these waterfalls is 1,960 feet. So the highest waterfall in India are Jog Falls. Next we have is the longest beach. The range of this beach is 13 km in India, and the longest beach in India is Marina Beach. Next we are going to discuss about hockey. So hockey, as you already know that hockey is our national game. Hockey is an outdoor game which is being played by two teams. There are 11 players in each team. It has been chosen as the national game of India because India has been a world champion in hockey for many years. We have won several gold medals in the Olympics also. We were continuously the gold medal winners in Olympics for the sixth time. For the continuous 6 times we have been the winner in the hockey. So that is why hockey is considered as our national game. It is not an expensive game and it can be played by any youth. It is a game of much interest and enjoyment. Fast game and situation changes very often in this game. National tournaments which include these trophies are Betin Cup, Aga Khan Cup, Rangaswamy Cup and Ratan Tata Cup. International tournaments are Indira Gandhi Gold Cup, Sultan Ajlan Shah Cup, Men's Hockey Champion Challenge Trophy, Women Champion Trophy, Asia Cup, World Cup. Dhyan Chand was one of the greatest hockey player. The world called him as hockey wizard also. Now I am going to tell you that the year and the country where these have been the winners. As you can see, if I'll mention in 1952 India was the winner. In 1956 India was the winner. 1928 India. 1932 India. 1936 India. 1948 India. 1952 India. 1956 India. Since the Olympics, if I talk about the separately about the summer and winter Olympics, so these are held at a gap of after every 4 years. So as I told you that India has been a winner of Olympics, gold medal winner for the continuous 6 time. So as you can see this, we have been the winner for the continuous 6 time. In 1964 again India was the winner. In 1980 again India was the winner. And this is where it came out that hockey should be our national game. That is why hockey is considered as our national game. Next we are going to discuss about the most and the least in India. So let's start. Now the most and the least in India. We will be studying about some important facts. So let's start. The very first question says, which is the most populous state in India? Means which is the most populous state where the population is in the great number. In the means the population is more than the other states. So the correct answer here is Uttar Pradesh. The correct answer is Uttar Pradesh. Next we have the name the largest northeastern state in terms of area. That means according to the area we have to tell which is the largest northeastern state. So here our answer will be Arunachal Pradesh. The answer will be Arunachal Pradesh. Moving ahead, we have which is the southernmost point of India. That means we have to tell the southernmost point of India. The southernmost point of India is Indira Point. Indira Point will be the correct answer. Moving ahead, we have name the largest state in terms of area in India. Now we are not talking about the northwestern or south or north. In whole India we have to tell the largest state according to the area. So the state which is the largest in India is Rajasthan. So Rajasthan will be the correct answer. Rajasthan is the largest state in terms of area in India. Next question we have is name the smallest state in terms of area. So the smallest state in terms of area if we talk about in India is Goa. So the correct answer will be Goa. So Goa is the right answer. Moving ahead, we have the highest motorable road is located in which state? The highest motorable road is located in which state? It is located in Jammu and Kashmir. So Jammu and Kashmir will be the correct answer. Next we have is name the state with the least population. So the state with the least population is Sikkim. So Sikkim is the state with the least population. Now moving ahead for the next chapter, let's start. Now the next chapter is popular names. The picture will be shown to you and the nicknames will be shown to you. You have to tell who is this personality. So let's start. First is Iron Man of India. Can you guess who is the person? Iron Man of India is Vallabhbhai Patel. He is also known as Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel, and the Statue of Unity is of Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel only. Can you tell me where is Statue of Unity located? If yes, write the answer to me in the comment section. Moving ahead, we have Father of the Nation. Can you tell me? I guess everyone can easily tell who is Father of the Nation. By seeing the picture, it is pretty clear that who is the father of the nation? Mahatma Gandhi ji. So Mahatma Gandhi ji is the father of the nation. Moving ahead, it is Shaheed-e-Azam. Can you guess who is known as Shaheed-e-Azam? Okay, I guess now everyone can tell. Shaheed-e-Azam. Who is known as Shaheed-e-Azam? He is Bhagat Singh. Bhagat Singh ji is known as Shaheed-e-Azam. Next we have is Missile Man of India. Missile Man of India is? Yes, now I guess everyone can answer. Missile Man of India is Mr. APJ Abdul Kalam Azad. APJ Abdul Kalam Azad is popularly known as Missile Man of India. Moving ahead. Next is Haryana Hurricane. Who is known as the Haryana Hurricane? Let me give you a hint. Now can you tell who is known as the Haryana Hurricane? He is Mr. Kapil Dev. Kapil Dev is popularly known as Haryana Hurricane. Moving ahead. Next is Father of Indian Cinema. Who is known as the Father of Indian Cinema? Okay, since you can see the name here, he is Mr. Dada Sahib Govind Phalke. So our answer will be Dada Sahib Phalke. Dada Sahib Phalke is known as the father of Indian cinema, and the highest award in Indian cinema is given on the name of the Dada Sahib Phalke only. Moving ahead, for the next question, Netaji. Who is popularly known as Netaji? He is Mr. Subhash Chandra Bose. Subhash Chandra Bose is popularly known as Netaji. Next we have is Paioli Express. Who is known as the Paioli Express? Can you tell me by seeing at the picture? She is Miss P.T. Usha. P.T. Usha is popularly known as Paioli Express. So students, these were the chapters that we are discussed today, and this is all for the today. What you have to do is you have to complete the same in your book also. So that's all for today. Stay home students, stay safe, keep learning. Thank you all for listening. God bless you all. Thank you.